It's my 99 Durango. I'm currently doing a body lift on it. Just wanted to give you guys a little tip. Do this rear one first, okay? And then do that one second. And make sure that you thread the bolts loosely, okay, so that they're guided. This is really, really simple. The whole entire process is really simple. I jacked it up one time here in the back. You're gonna wanna do it right here. I just used a little piece of 2x6. And I did the same thing. You can see I got jacked up on that pinch weld. And every other one of these fits right in and threads. Even up front, you can see we got a crap ton of room up front there. Okay, this side is the only one you have to worry about things binding up. It's going to be right in here. You can see I put the ground strap extension already in there. And there's 2 wire harnesses you have to disconnect from the frame. Otherwise, I mean, you should have the directions if you're doing this. If you're doing hockey pucks, hit me up. I'll get you the directions about what you need to disconnect where. It should be pretty straightforward. You just have that ground strap there, those 2 ground straps there. You're gonna have the core support wire harness needs to be disconnected. That guy there. And then yeah, just go through, do passenger side first and driver side second. The reason why is you will be stretching brake lines. You do need to do an intermediate shaft extension. That's gonna be down in here. Just loosen it before you lift it up. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, get at me. I'll try to put up a better like tutorial type thing. But I'm not really sure one's needed. I mean, you have to be pretty retarded to not be able to do this. Sorry if you're retarded. As you can see here, we're fully lifted now as far as the body goes. You can see where they pulled out just a little bit. Ground strap extension helped out a lot. But yeah, this is all really easy. One tip I do want to tell everyone is make sure you line this one up. This one here is smaller than the rest. It's the exact, well, nearly the exact diameter of the spacer. So make sure you line that up. Otherwise, also for your the DIY guys who maybe don't buy a kit and want to do this, I don't have the intermediate shaft extension on. Dude, it's fine. It's not gonna bound up or anything like that. You can see the extension pulled out like it's supposed to. So I don't have the actual body lift extension on. It's still right here. And yeah, I have that loose too. I can totally pull the intermediate shaft out. But it looks like there's more than enough room for the 2 to 3 inches. Yeah. So other than that, everything else was fine. I'm gonna spare you the hum the best I can. I won't go in there. Pull the transfer case lever out the top. Just save yourself some headache, okay? Don't try to fish it out through the bottom to try to pull out the stupid drive shaft. You don't need to do any of that crap. Also, don't let the fan shroud bind up at the bottom there. Man, if I fucking talk. That's it. That's how you do a cheapo easy lift. We got a torsion lift on it already too. And for all the people out there going, oh, that's not a real lift. Oh, okay. You know what? Out here in its natural environment, okay, that's an 11.5 inch lifted IFS Durango. So suck my balls, Mr. Garrison, sir. And yeah, that's my Subaru and stuff. And yeah, this is our hunting rig. And we're gonna get it outfitted because we don't need it to do any crazy wheeling. We just need it to not get stuck in the mud. And it'd be nice to put some 33s on it. All right, that's it. Peace.